Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you if you are getting the error message if you typing cmake, and if you're getting this error, cmake is not recognized as an internal or external command. Potentially the reason is that you haven't added cmake inside your environment path variable. So just we need to open the location where you installed cmake. By default it's stored in your C drive. Just open the folder C program files. Inside that folder we will cmake. Just search for this folder cmake. Just open this folder and then open the bin folder. So here all the executables will be present. cmake, you just see. If you try to open terminal here, type the same command, you will see the cmake command will perfectly execute. So now what we need to do, we need to right click this location, copy this location, entire location, and just open your environment variable and just go to the system path variable. Just click on edit, add a new entry, and simply paste this entire path. Just click OK, and just restart your terminal and just type the same command right here, cmake. Now you will see the command will be successful. So in this easy way you can fix that error message by adding it to the environment variable. So also visit my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.